One of these slimes I will never get to play with again. No! Why would she put my own slime in here? What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a brand new slime video for you, and we are doing something a little bit different. Today we are going to be challenging some slime to fight to the death. If you're excited for the video, don't forget to give this video a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn! Speaking of unicorns, here are the Unicorn fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here. You already know that I love you. I love doing these Unicorn fam shoutouts now because I get to see like who's new to the fam and who's been here for a while. It's just really fun seeing all of your comments and stuff. If you want your comment featured in one of my videos, then make sure you go down below and comment hashtag Unicorn fam. Also, make sure you're subscribed and you could be part of the Unicorn fam with a shout out and everything in a video. It's super cool. I am super excited to get on with this video because I've never seen anything like this. So let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so I was actually inspired to do this video by a game called King's Court. Also, one of my fans, JosephAnthonii, I hope I said your name correctly, you actually sent this to me over on Instagram via DM, so thank you so much for this idea. I actually really love it. So if you're not familiar with the game called King's Court, basically what it is, it's normally played with squishies is how I've seen it played, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it with slime today. So basically the way King's Court works is you take two squishies, in this case we're doing slime, so you take two slimes, you kind of, it's not like a review, but you kind of like say what you like about the slime, what you don't like about the slime, and you have to pick one slime to drop, so I'm gonna drop it in a box, and then one slime to keep. And then you just keep going until you only have one slime left. But to go ahead and spice it up, since I am doing it with slime, I'm going to mix all like of the loser slimes, I guess you could say. I'm going to mix it into a slime smoothie of death. It's gonna be so crazy. I am really excited. Let's just start already. Okay, so in this bag here, I have 8 random slimes that my grandma chose for me. I have no idea what slimes are in here. I haven't taken a peek yet, and I'm not going to until I grab one. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab 2 different slimes, and I'm going to fight them to the death and see which one wins. So let's do it. I'm going to kind of shake them up real quick. Hopefully none of them open, but let's see. Okay, so I'm going to take... Oh, I'm kind of nervous. I'm going to take this one and this one. Okay, so I chose this one from Squishy Bunny. It's a pink slime. This one is, I think it's the strawberry cheesecake cloud cream slime from Squishy Bunny. And then this one here is, I believe, this one is the chocolate mint slime from Alpine Slime. So I guess let's start with the Alpine Slime one. I do really love the scent of this one. This one I do believe is a cloud cream as well, or maybe a butter slime. No, this is a butter slime actually. It's a little sticky, which is totally fine, it happens. Alright, so that's that one. This one has a really nice texture, so let's see. And this one here is strawberry cheesecake cloud cream from Squishy Bunny. Oh, this one smells amazing, y'all. I absolutely love this one so much. I'm gonna have to go with this one here. So I'm going to keep strawberry cheesecake cloud cream from Squishy Bunny, and I am going to drop the chocolate mint from Alpine Slimes. So sorry, you had to go. All right, round 2. So we're going to take this one versus, let me get a good one, this one. All right, let's see. Oh no, okay. So this one here is black butter from Glitter Slimes, and this one here is the this one's winter candy apple from Slime City B. I'm not gonna say the whole name because some people get offended, I'm sorry. But this was for my friend Carly. I really love both of these slimes. You know how much I love black butter slime, and I love this slime here from Carly, so it's gonna be so hard. Let's get on with it already. All right. This one smells really nice, like a pastry, almost like, I think it's a warm sugar vanilla scent or something like that. Cinnamon sugar vanilla or something. I really love this. It's a black butter. It is one of my faves, obviously. Let's see here. Oh, I'm so sad. I love both of these so much. And this one here is a sugar scrub slime that is scented like winter candy apple. Oh my god, it's so beautiful and so crunchy. The texture is just amazing, y'all. I'm torn. I'm gonna have to keep this one though. Like this one, it is so crunchy and beautiful. The scent is amazing. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to keep this one. This one's staying with me, and I am dropping Glitter Slime's Black Butter. I'm so sorry. Okay, round 3. Let's see here. We got this one and this one. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, so we have this red slime here from Pigeon Slimes, and we have the Bomb Pop Swirl from Slime Nova. So let's see. This one is the one from Pigeon Slimes. This one, I believe, is watermelon, I think. I think it's watermelon taffy slime. This one's a really good one. I really like all of Pigeon Slime. Pigeon Slime, that sounded funny. But this one definitely slays for sure, as you can tell. Great bubble pops. But I remember that I really liked this one here from Slime Nova because it's super crunchy. Oh, I'm torn. I'm shook. Oh, this one's actually really melted right now. But I really liked this one. I remember how crunchy it was, and it just gave me so much life. Okay, so I went ahead and I put a little bit of activator into Bomb Pop Swirl here, and I really love it. I've had this for such a long time. It is super, super crunchy because it has that fake plastic snow in it, and it smells just like a real Bomb Pop. Like, this is such a tough decision. Pigeon Slimes or Slime Nova? Pigeon Slime or Slime Nova? I am just gonna go with the fact that I've had this for quite a while. I don't know how much longer it's gonna last. So Slime Nova, I'm throwing you. I'm so sorry. Okay, round 4, we only have 2 slimes left in here. Let's see what we have. We have this one here. Oh my god. And this one here. No! Why would she put my own slime in here? That's like, if I don't choose this one, that's like not choosing my own child. How dare my grandma do this to me? Okay, so we're gonna start with this one here. This one is Vanilla Sprinkles by Rad Slimes. I remember that I really liked this slime. Look at how thick that is already, y'all. I'm shook. Okay. Wow. Look at this. I am just gone. Gone in 60 seconds. Gone with the wind. Deceased. OMG. It's super, super thick. I think this is like a butter kind of clay slime. It's just really, really nice. And look at all the sprinkles in there. They're so pretty. Okay, and then this one here is actually from my slime shop called the Unicorn Slime Shop. This one is Princess Lolly. I love this one. I can't believe she put this one in here. She did it on purpose too, because she knows that I love this one. Oh, it's so hard. I think this one's a little melted, which is totally fine. I have activator. It smells so good, y'all. Yeah, it totally needs activator. BRB. Okay, so here is Princess Lolly in all her glory. She is a really glossy slime with some foam beads in there just to represent Princess Lolly from Candyland, the game. If you didn't know, that's a character on Candyland. I really love this slime, especially because it's my own. I don't know. Even though it pains me to do this, Rad Slimes absolutely slays my life. If it was any other slime shop, maybe I could go with my slime, but I'm gonna have to drop my slime because this one slays me. I'm sorry. So far in the slime smoothie of death, we have this one here. This is Princess Lolly from the Unicorn Slime Shop, which is my slime shop. We have the, what is this one called? Bomb Pop Swirl here from Nova Slime. We have chocolate mint ice cream, I believe it is, or mint chocolate ice cream, something like that, from Alpine Slimes. And then we have black butter from Glitter Slime. So these are in the losing pile so far for the slime smoothie of death. Now it is time to go ahead and face the winners up against each other. I know, crazy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, just to keep it fair, I am going to go ahead and place the winning slimes back in the bag. That way I can just draw them out, you know, randomly. So it's fair. Mix it up. Hopefully they didn't open. Okay. Let's see. So round 1 from the winner side, we have these two. Oh snap. Pigeon Slimes versus Squishy Bunny. Alright. I need to fill them again because I don't remember. This one's really thick. This is Thickum McThickums. Not okay. I don't really know what the name of this slime is. But this one's really nice. It is a watermelon taffy, I believe. Because it smells kind of like watermelon. Oh, it's really good. Nice and thick. But y'all know Squishy Bunny slays my life. And this one is a cloud cream, which also slays my life. I can't. Okay. Alright. have to be very, very careful here because one of these slimes I will never get to play with again. You know what I'm saying? So, oh, this is so hard. Squishy Bunny versus Pigeon Slimes. I am going to go ahead and drop Pigeon Slimes. I am so sorry, but Squishy Bunny slays my existence. I really love the scent of this one. It smells just like a strawberry cheesecake, like ice cream kind of thing. It smells really nice, and the cloud cream texture is amazing, so I have to keep this one. I'm sorry. All right, next one up. Oh, I think there's only, oh, duh, there's only one round. Okay, so it's these two. Next up, we have Vanilla Sprinkles from Rad Slimes, and we have this Winter Candy Apple Sugar Scrub Slime from Slime City B. I just don't know. So as I already said, this one is super crunchy. You could probably hear it from here too. Listen. Like, it's super, super crunchy. The scent is amazing. It's winter candy apple. It's just like the Bath and Body Works scent. It smells so, so good. And it's gorgeous. Like, ugh, it's just, it's wild. I can't. And then Vanilla Sprinkles over here is from Rad Slimes, which, like I said, slays my life. It's super, super thick. It just reminds me of like an ice cream or maybe like even a froyo. Like, it's super, super thick and creamy, and the sprinkles in there are so cute. I believe they're clay sprinkles. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. All right, Slime City B, Rad Slimes. Which one am I choosing? I'm gonna have to drop Rad Slimes. Oh my god, I didn't think that I was gonna do that. That's so wild. Y'all don't understand how much this hurts me because I love slimes so much, and some of these slimes are actually like my favorite. I should have like saved them for, I don't know. I didn't pick these slimes, okay? Okay, y'all, and now the final round. We have Slime City B versus Squishy Bunny. You know what's shaking me to the core right now is that they're both actually like my best friends, Raul and Carly. Like, I don't know what to do, honestly. This is so hard. So we have the strawberry cheesecake cloud cream slime that is slaying my existence, that has always slayed my existence. I remember the time for this one that I actually went over to their house, and this one was just like open. Like, they had one that was already open, so I was playing with that one, and I remember I was like, next time he restocks it, I need to get that one. So I've had this one ever since then. It slays me. I don't know what to do. And then this one here, it's so crunchy, and it means a lot to me as well because Carly gave it to me when we were on tour with Karina. We were both special guests on Karina Garcia's tour. So this one has a lot of meaning in it as well. I just don't know, like, they're both so good. Look at that, like, really? Really? Why? I love these just the same. So what I'm gonna do is, I am going to close my eyes. I'm gonna kind of jumble them together in the bag, and whichever one I pick is gonna go in the slime smoothie of death because I literally don't know which one to pick, and I can't choose. I really can't. Okay, so I'm dropping them in here in the bag. I'm going to mix it to death. And I'm just gonna choose a random one. Random one, this one. I have to drop you, Carly. I'm so sorry. I love it though. You know I love it. I'm sorry. So the winner of every single round is a strawberry cheesecake slime from Squishy Bunny. Now it is time to mix up all 7 of these slimes. These are the losing slimes here in the slime smoothie of death. But before I do that, in the comment section down below, let me know, just based off of what these colors are here, what color do you think the slime smoothie of death is going to be for this one? I honestly don't even know. There's a lot of different colors going on, so I'm not sure which one is going to be more prominent. I think it's going to come out kind of brown because of the black butter. I don't know. We're going to find out. Alrighty, y'all, well, that was pretty much it for this slime versus slime challenge. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to do a part 2 to this, or if you want me to like make this a whole series, because I can totally do that. I actually liked this idea. It was really fun. It was something different, but it included slime as well. It was just really fun for me. If you enjoyed the video as well, don't forget to give it a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!
Hand in hand we run, hiding from the sun.